Unauthorized gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue gang don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes. Yes, sir. 44 gang was happening, man. Support Hemi44 back with another video. You understand me? Hey, man, if y'all new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. We got a lot of dope stuff on this channel. If you're into cars, if you're into mopars, if you're new to the channel, I'm just letting you know. I'm sorry if I'm pretty close. That's where my rhyming stopped. I ain't got no more. But yeah, I know I'm kind of close to the camera because I'm trying something new, man. I got a whole nother camera holder. My other one was shaking too much. You know what I mean? But if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. We're going up out 2021. See if I can let my windows up so y'all can hear me. I'm gonna let these windows up as long as I can. Yeah, so man, also subscribe to the podcast, bro. Y'all support, man. Subscribe to the podcast. It'll be down below in every video, man. Just type the 5th quarter podcast. You know what? The link is in the description, man. Go to the description and come on, man. Y'all subscribe, man. Y'all support. You know what I'm saying? Support them. What we trying to do. You know what I'm saying? If y'all really rock with us, man. Me, my brother, my cousin, Scotty, Nino, man. If y'all rock with us, y'all support, man. If you're into sports, I promise you're gonna love this podcast. But we got some dope stuff coming for this podcast. That Mustang got a Charger wicker bill on it. I don't even know how this possible. He probably racing this Camaro. Y'all see this? Y'all can't see this Camaro. This Camaro looks like he trying to catch up to his Mustang. I'm gonna let what you looking over here for? He looking over here. But yeah, man. Today I'm doing a little something different, man. Let me tell y'all what I was doing. So today I had some running around to do. And I was finna get ready to jump in my Charger because I really want to drive my Charger, man, because, you know, I just got my sound system redone, and everybody that know me, y'all know I'm a big music head. Like, I love my sound system, man. I love to listen to my music. Like, Hemiwife will tell you that dude in that Camaro about to wreck. That's crazy. He trying to keep up with this Mustang in a V6 Camaro, and he about to wreck. That's crazy. But anybody to tell you, anybody like Hemiwife will tell you, man, like she'll call me and she'll like, what you doing? I'll be like, listen to my music. You know what I'm saying? So she know, in other words, you know what I'm saying? If it's not important, if she just calling to talk. Now, you know, I talk sometimes. You gotta talk. I mean, you can't push your wife to the side like that. But she know if it's not nothing important, I would rather listen to my music, because like I tell her all the time, I say I don't ride my car a lot. So when I get in here, I want to listen to my music. You know what I'm saying? That's what I want to do. So that's how I am, bro. Like, I used to be that type. I kid you not, bro. People will tell you that people used to ride me back in the day. Bro, don't get in my car and be on the phone. Like, don't do that. Like, you do that on your own personal time. You on my time. You on my time now. You know what I'm saying? In my car, I listen to my music. So don't get in here trying to be on a long phone call. That ain't gonna work in my car. You know what I'm saying? That is not gonna work in my car, because I'm sitting here just like this, wanting to listen to my music while you over here enjoying your little conversation. Especially if you over there Kool-Aiding with a little chick or something. Nah, I ain't having that. Nah, hey, wrap that up, brother. You understand me? Wrap that up. Yeah, I used to do that a lot. People tell you. But yeah, man, so, but I said that to say, man, I just want to do something different today. So I was walking out the house, finna jump in my Charger, and I just fixed the power steering on my Magnum. Whoa. I just fixed the power steering on my Magnum, so I was like, man, it's too hot to be riding this Magnum. I said, nah, I ain't doing it. I ain't riding. I ain't riding no, heat like that, and I ain't got to. But let me tell y'all why I did though. I was getting in my Charger, and I said, man, you know what? Let me get in this Magnum, because at any given moment, bro, at any day, this AC can go out in this Charger. The AC can go out in the Charger, or put it this way, nothing is promised, man. So my thing is, be grateful for what you have. You know what I'm saying? Be grateful for what you have. So, in other words, I'm pretty much saying, bro, like, I jumped in the car just to see how it is to ride with, you know what I'm saying, ride with no AC, because I wanted to, like, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to act like, I got this car, I got that car, I ain't got to ride in no heat. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people out here riding with no AC, bro. A lot of people out here riding with no AC, and I didn't want to make it seem like it's a problem, like I'm too good to jump in a car with no AC. So that was a big deal for me, because this is my first time ever doing this. You know what I'm saying? All my life, I never had a car that didn't have AC, and I had a lot of cars, but I never had a car that didn't have AC. So I pretty much jumped in, like, I can't be acting like I can't be acting bougie, like I'm too good to be riding in a car with AC. You know what I'm saying? That's solely the only reason why I jumped in this car today, bro. That was the only reason why I got in this car. No other reason. You know what I'm saying? I got some running around to do. And it's hot out here. Like, it is hot, bro. Y'all see the sun is beaming. It is hot. So for those that's probably asking, well, why you... Oh. So for those that's probably asking, well, how you riding? Why you riding with your windows up? So what it is, my AC blows. It blows wind, but it don't blow cold at all. Like right now, it's just hitting me with hot air. That's why I said I'm gonna let my windows up so y'all can hear me as long as I can. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just trying to encourage y'all, man. Don't take stuff for granted, bro. Because that Charger can go at any minute, bro. Like, it can be gone at any minute, and I will have to drive this car. And if I'm not used to driving with AC or nothing like that, then I'm gonna be jumping in the car with an attitude, mad. You know what I'm saying? Trying to duck and dodge from people. Don't want people to see me with my windows down. Like, I used to be like that, bro. I used to be like that. But I never had a ride with a car with no AC. So when I say I used to be like that, that was my thought process. Like, I used to, I can't ride with no AC. It's gonna be 100 degrees. I got my windows down. People gonna know why I got my windows down. Like, they gonna be, you know what I'm saying? He ain't got no AC. I used to think like that when I was young, but now that I'm a little older, it's a little different. So I'm just trying to get, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to be all the way around. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to just get used to just having things. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, it can be gone at any moment. That's with anything you have, bro. Ain't nothing promised. I mean, it's all material things, bro. Material things do not last. They do not last. So that was my whole reason for doing this, bro. I don't even have no content today at all. This was my only. I don't have no content. The stuff that I'm going to do is all like business type stuff outside of YouTube. So yeah, I might go to the mall, man. I might go to the mall and buy me some shoes or something. I really want to buy me some shoes. We'll see. But right now, I gotta go cash my checks, bro. I gotta go cash my checks. You know what I'm saying? What else I gotta do? Cash my checks and probably go to the mall. I don't know. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. But as soon as I see fit, man, or I find some content or some more interesting going on around chill, you understand me? I'll turn this camera back on. You understand me? But until the end, just hold tight. Yes, sir. Oh my God, 44 gang. I want to show y'all something, bro. I'm back at home hours later. Man, listen. That wasn't cool. That wasn't cool at all. I'm finna show y'all something. Bro, look at this. That said 100 degrees. Well, right here it said 100. 100 degrees, bro. Bro, that was not cool, bro, at all. Then my back is soaking wet. Bro, look at this. Look at this, man. That's the back part of my shirt. Look at it. Soaking wet, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. That is God. I gotta put on a whole nother shirt now. That's crazy. Why I didn't put a muscle shirt on, I have no idea. I really wasn't thinking. When I walked out the house, I wasn't going in that car, first of all. You know what I'm saying? But that's crazy, bro. Just remember, man, anything can be taken from at any moment, bro. So that's the reason I jumped in that car, man. I just had to, I ain't want to, you know what I'm saying? I ain't want to make it seem like I'm too good. This ain't to other people. This is to me. This was like a self type deal. I ain't want to just, you know what I'm saying, make it seem, oh, nah. Because the car run. Ain't nothing wrong with it but the AC. So it's like, bro, you just letting that car sit up because the AC, like you too good to get in a car with no AC. So that was like something for myself. I just jumped in it. But me and him and wife finna go shopping. Not necessarily shopping, but I'm finna go try to find me some shoes, man. So I'm waiting on her. We'll probably let y'all pick out some shoes with me, man. Y'all ride with us to go pick out some shoes, man. But when she get here, she ain't here. When she get here, we're gonna head out to the mall, man. We're gonna go get us something, yo. So 44 game, man. Y'all can see I'm in some AC now, man.
What happened? You was hot.
I'm in some AC. My shirt ain't wet no more.
You gotta hold on. I'm sorry, I turned kind of hard, didn't I?
Yeah, but I'm in some AC, feeling a little better. I'm good now. But we finna pull up to the mall. Or this little store, man. We're going here to see if we can find some shoes or whatnot. Won't y'all help me pick my shoes out, man? Pick out some shoes. Who we looking for shoes for?
You and Messiah.
We looking for shoes for 2. But yeah, she don't even know I drove. She don't even know I was in that Magnum today.
No, you wasn't. You was in the Magnum?
About 2 hours, 100 degrees. I did not know it was that bad. But I told him the reason.
You know you over the top.
But no, my reason for doing that was, like I said earlier, it was pretty much it was like a self thing for me, because it was more like this, to have this stuff ain't a guarantee. And I didn't want to make it seem like I'm just too good to be riding in a car that ain't got AC. So I made myself drive around in it today, because I ain't never. You did it as 100
degrees outside?
Yeah.
All the
I didn't,
you
but
prove that point.
Yeah, but still. That's because we had been talking about the Magnum lately. And I had just got the power steering fixed, so, you know what I'm saying? It was like, it was just heat of the moment type thing.
Did I pass it?
It was like a heat of the moment type thing, like.
He thought I was waving at him.
Man, what in the world? You were heading out. It's way back there.
That's what I was thinking. That man,
but yeah, so I made myself do that, because it was more of like I was saying, everything ain't promised. Like, that charger could go away at any moment, then I have to drive that car in. When I get in it, I'll be mad, ain't gonna know how to act, because I ain't never been in nothing like that before.
Oops. Well, look at somebody talking with some sense today. Come on here, Hemi.
I tell you one thing, it was a bad decision.
Yeah, to do it today 100 degrees. Man. You should have did it like at 6 o'clock in the morning, 7, it's still cool.
Nah, it's 6 o'clock in the morning and 7, there's no point in doing it then. It's like, what's like in it? Like, you don't need AC 6 o'clock in the morning.
So you trying to see how long you can survive without AC?
No, I just wanted to drive the car.
Oh, okay. I'm proud of you.
I wanted to drive my car, to be honest. Matter of fact, y'all didn't see this, but when I got home, she wasn't here. She wasn't here when I got home. I jumped in my car and left. I jumped in my car and left, because I wanted to drive my Charger. So when she was supposed to be at home already. But when I got home, she wasn't there. So I jumped in my Charger and took off. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all seen it. That was when I showed all this right here. I had my bang on, all this was shaking and all that. I went and jumped in my car. I had to drive it. I'm like, man, because I wanted to drive it anyway, but I made myself do that. So that was a good thing. I feel good about it. But yeah, we finna go in here and get some shoes. Soon as she figure out where she going, I know where the place is. I'm looking. This is the spot we came in at, right here, and she went all the way down there. Yeah, then we back over here.
Oh, because I was supposed to.
It's right
there.
Yeah.
So I came in and I made a left too soon. I should have made a right. Well, you don't want to come to the shoe store all the time.
I don't even want to come over here. I be spending too much money here.
You telling off on yourself, because you come here all the time, so you know exactly where it's at.
I be spending too much money here.
Well, I just want to go to Target. You know I love me some Target. Like,
I need to go
shop at Target.
I need to go holler at my boy D Bake, man.
Who?
D Bake. Y'all probably, if y'all watch CJ So Cool, then y'all know D Bake. That's like his best friend. He be in his videos, but he work at the one in over there in DeSoto.
Oh, he don't work at the one over here?
Nah, he ain't here no more. He over there. So.
Oh, you know what? A bird probably can poop on this.
I don't wanna,
I just paid to get it washed. Let me back up.
Yeah, I need to go holler at my boy D Bake, man. He work at this store right here. Not this one, but he used to work at this one and he moved to another one. But I don't feel like going over there, man. He'll probably play me up, but yeah, I don't know if it's worth the drive. I don't know. But shout out to my boy D-Bake, man. Y'all follow him on Instagram.
Look at them parking skills, boy.
But yeah, man, we finna go on ahead in here and see what's happening. Bro, I wear these right here. I don't know what these really is, but he just told me they something like a designer brand, like Javi. They call Javi or something.
Javi, yeah.
I wear these though, for real. Like, I'm thinking about getting them. What you think, Hemi? Should I get them?
Leave Javi to job.
Man, them things fire. Bro, y'all getting to come here and let me know. I throw some. Man, them things fire. Them fire though. I wear them. Man, you crazy. Them things fire. They ain't really got nothing in here though. For real, they ain't really got nothing. Bro, I never got these, bro. Never got them. And I want them. I always said I was gonna get these. Never got them. I want these joints though. These phone pods be hidden. Them phone pods be hidden, boy. I always said I wanted them. I ain't never got them. They never get them. Came out years and years ago. But I never. Like $230. I need some of these though. That's what I need.
You want the low tops?
No, I don't wear low tops. I don't wear low tops with everything.
Oh, okay.
I don't like low tops, especially Air Forces. I can't stand low top forces, bro. I don't like them. I'd rather the high top. Really the mids.
Do you like those?
Hmm?
Do you like those?
These?
No, those when I was showing you from the side.
No. Hold on, let me show y'all what my son like.
I got those.
I'm not a fan of them though.
I already got them. There's nothing wrong with those. And I was thinking
My son wants some of them.
What's wrong with that?
I ain't a fan of them. I ain't a fan of them. These my style right here. I love these 9.5s.
You know, I do not like those I don't like these Air Max.
Man, what these are the most popular ones.
I know, that's from our time. I like them on other people, but I don't like them for myself. I would get some black ones. I won't pay $170 for those.
Man, I don't know.